Hey guys, me again. Today we have a TV board that came in for repair. This is from a Hisense, whatever, garbage LED TV that this thing came from. Basically we have to replace these two capacitors right here. Turn this around. Let me get my miniature pointing stick. We have this one that is obviously deflated, or inflated, I should say, not deflated, as you can see from that angle. And as a reference, you can see these two are completely flat. So if we lift this up, you can see that that's no good. So the second one here looks like it's okay, but we're gonna change it out also just to be safe. So this one's gonna be changed, that one's gonna be changed. I'll check these ones as well, just to be safe, but I think these are okay. And then there's these two here that they never go bad. These are the main capacitors on the primary side, because this is a power supply and a main board all in one. So this is the power supply section over here, and then the main board section is just all this stuff over here. So we're gonna go ahead. I have two of these caps over here that I'm gonna replace, or I have them already on hand, so I'm gonna replace them, and I'll show you how things progress. This is gonna be a really quick video because this is the only thing the customer wants me to do. So yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so the two caps are out. I used my my suction pump there, so they're gone, as you can see. So, and just I thought to show you, so this one doesn't seem like it is bad, but we'll replace it just to be safe, because it's bound to actually, wait a minute, no, I'm looking at it. Actually, yeah, this is the bad one. Look at that. Okay, so wait a minute. So this is the bad one with the bulge. So this one has to be replaced. This is the other one I tried to pull out, and when I was pulling it out, try to focus, my God. So this is the other one. Notice how there's no legs? So when I was moving the cap around, trying to remove it, the legs came completely loose. So that's these are the two plates that go inside the cap, and it's basically in my hand. It literally just popped out. There was no rigidity at all. So anyhow, we're gonna put for both legs actually, we're gonna put two new caps, and we're gonna see what happens. So I think we are done here. Again, it didn't take very long. It's really quick. So we have our two caps here. These are the two caps. They are a bit taller, but they will fit in the TV. So yeah, it's gonna fit in the back, and the cover's gonna close on it. So because I've used this on another Hisense, and it seemed to work as well, you know. So I'm not too worried about clearance issues. I'm just looking at it out the side here. It might be a bit tight, but it's gonna close. So basically, what we're gonna do is we're gonna give it back to the customer, and he should be on his way. These are again, the original spec was 10 microfarad, 350 volts, and this one is 10 microfarad, but it's 450 volts, so it's the reading is a bit higher, so it should last a bit longer, and I think they're better quality. I mean, they're also another Chinese company, Zcon or something, but I think they're gonna hold up a bit longer than these ones. I mean, look, you can just compare the size for 100 volts difference. I mean, well, I guess that there is a noticeable difference, but anyways, well, this is 350 volts, right? And if you look at these ones, these are rated at 25 volts. So the fact that they can put this size and for that rating, I don't know. Anyways, it's I don't think it's a very good quality one anyway. So those are gone. I tested it with my ESR meter. These are good, and these are good as well, so I didn't change those. These ones, I know they're good. So and then yeah, if you're wondering how the solder went, nicely done. So yeah, this is ready to be given back to the customer. I'm gonna give him a ring, and that should be it. So if you guys like this video, please leave a thumbs up. leave a comment down in the bleep bloop section below if you want to, and hit the bell so you make sure that you don't miss a new video when I upload it, so that you can stay up to date with what I'm doing. So until next time, take care guys. Bye bye.